Hi everyone, welcome back to Brunette Wig Place. I'm Lisa. I'm so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and then every time I post a new wig related video, you'll get a notification letting you know that I posted something new. So today I am going to do a little tutorial. I have decided that I am going to pluck the part on a wig here, and so I will be showing you all about everything pretty much on my wig head here. Lucy's gonna help me. She's such a doll. This is Kai, by the way, by Rene of Paris in ginger brown, and I have been wanting to try plucking the part on a wig for a while, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna try it. And this is an old wig. I'm starting on an old wig. I caution you, do not do this unless you are completely comfortable doing it, because I hold no responsibility for what happens to your wig. This is an old wig, that's why I'm practicing on an old wig. So anyway, and as far as what I'm wearing on my head, this is a customized human hair wig that I just got back, and I will be reviewing her and talking all about her and posting that on my channel soon as well. I'm not sure what order these videos will post, so that may post before this video. I don't know, just depends on when I get my editing done. So anyway, but I just wanted to show y'all how this little process is going. I'm gonna try plucking this part, and if it goes well, I will post this video. I guess if it doesn't go well, you'll never know that I tried plucking a part. So anyway, I'm gonna get set up and change my camera angle, and I will be right back. Okay, I've got the camera readjusted here. So I want you to be able to see the part. So that is why I have it adjusted, and then I'm just gonna kind of run around and be wherever I need to be to see the top of the wig. So as you can see right now, this part on this wig is pretty tight. It doesn't show a lot of the monofilament, and that's something that has always bothered me about this particular wig, was that I didn't feel like it really showed much of a part. So I wanted to pluck a part, but I don't want to pluck a part on a brand new wig and not know what I'm doing and ruin a brand new wig. So I'm using this Kai because she has seen better days. She is, I don't know if you can tell, but the ends are worn, and I wear her around the house, but other than that, I'm not really wearing her much anymore. So, but she's been worn too much, in my opinion, for me to try to sell her or anything like that. So she's just worn out, and that's just how it is. So anyway, I'm gonna start, I need to get my glasses, working on plucking this part. So I did a little bit before I started. I just want to check and make sure. So I've just got some little tweezers, you know, your little eyebrow tweezers. And there could be a million ways to do this better, and this is just how I'm doing it, okay? So I'm not an expert. I'm just thought I would share with y'all what I was kind of playing around with. So I'm just pulling out, as you can see, can you see that? I hope you can see that. You know, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hairs at a time, and I've got a trash can down here. So I'm just gonna try to widen this part, and we'll see if it makes any difference. So I'm just plucking out, like I said, I'm getting like 5 hairs at a time. I'm being careful with the lace. I don't wanna, like, you know, rip the lace or anything. I actually saw a girl doing this. Her Instagram is Mama is Bald. Her name is Myrna, and she lives in California. I saw her doing this, and I thought, well, I'm gonna try this because I've always wanted to see how much of a difference it makes. So I'm just plucking out, like I said, I'm just pulling right at the part, and I'm just pulling up, you know, 3 to 5 hairs at a time is what's coming out, because I'm using these little tiny, you know, tweezers. And of course you wouldn't want to go in and do more than that, because you don't want to like rip up your lace. But I'm just looking for these places where I feel like the part could show more. Now, one thing you do need to be careful of is that, you know, I can see where this could like make curly hairs on your synthetic piece. So make sure that you're pulling up and pulling it all the way out so you're not leaving any, you're not sliding on the hair. And because synthetic fibers, if you just pull on a synthetic fiber, it'll turn into a corkscrew if you're not careful. If you did have one that turned into a corkscrew, you can just take it off, just pull that one out. But yeah, this is pretty easy. I'm getting like, 4 or 5 hairs at a time. Now what I'm doing also is if I tug on it and I feel like it's not giving for me, then I'm feeling like maybe I'm pulling too hard on the lace. So I'm just letting go and trying, in a little bit different area. Okay, so I'm gonna pluck away on this for a little while and then I will come back and okay, so we are back and I will just show you. That looks a lot better. So I didn't take out a ton. I think I could still take out a little bit here, a little bit in these places where there's just a few that, sometimes those zigzag parts are so hard to get out of wigs. I think those are still a few hairs that are kind of, zigzagged on there. But I think that looks a lot better. I'm really happy with it. So I also have here, let me just show you guys. I saved here the hair that I pulled out just so you could have an idea. Now this is all piled up, but I took out, just a moderate amount of hair, not a ton, but like I said, they kept coming out in these, strips of like 4 or 5, maybe 6 hairs at the most by using those little fine tweezers. So just to show you there exactly how much hair came out. So hope you've enjoyed this. I hope that you find it helpful. Please pluck your wigs, of course, at your very own risk. And if you do not feel 100% comfortable with it, my advice is do not do it. So hope this is helpful. See you guys soon. Bye. Oh, and don't forget you're absolutely beautiful. Can't forget that part. Bye, guys.